So you're standing in Woolworths trying to eat healthier and lose weight, and you're thinking, is this 89 rands ready meal actually going to help me, or am I just paying for fancy packaging? I'm an expert, a registered dietitian here in South Africa, and today I'm doing a completely honest review of Woolworths healthy options that can actually support your weight loss journey. Some of these surprised me, and not always in a good way. And listen, I'm not sponsored by Woolies. I paid for everything you're seeing today with my own money, so you are getting the real evidence-based truth. Let's get into it. First things first, if you're trying to lose weight, protein is your best friend. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that higher protein intake can increase satiety by up to 50%, meaning you feel fuller for longer. So let's look at Woolies protein options that actually deliver. Number 1, the Woolworths cooked chicken breast slices. This is 49.99 rands for 100 grams, which jar is pricey, but check this out. 27 grams of protein per 100 grams, only 1.5 grams of fat, and just 540 kilojoules. For perspective, that's about 130 calories. This is genuinely lean protein with no fillers, no weird additives. I throw this on my salads, wrap it in a whole wheat wrap with some avo. Quick, easy, and it keeps me full until my next meal. That's the goal. Next, Woolworths plain Greek yogurt, the full cream version. Now I know what you're thinking. Full cream for weight loss? Yes, my friend. This has 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. And research published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that full-fat dairy can actually support weight management better than low-fat versions because the fat content increases satiety and doesn't spike your blood. Sugar the same way. Plus, it's actually creamy and satisfying. Add some berries, maybe a teaspoon of honey. This is breakfast sorted for under 1000 kilojoules. The Woolworths high-protein flavored yogurts, check the sugar content. Some have 1520 grams of sugar per serving. That's basically dessert masquerading as health food. Rather go plain and add your own fruit. Okay, prepared meals. This is where things get interesting because Woolies has really expanded their range. The challenge, not all healthy meals are created equal for weight loss. The Woolworths Wellness Range Chicken and Vegetable Stir Fry. This one's about 65 rands. You're getting 23 grams of protein, decent vegetables, and it's under 2000 kilojoules for the full pack. According to the South African food-based dietary guidelines, we want meals that are at least 1/4 protein and half vegetables. This ticks those boxes. Where this works, portion control is built in. You're not dishing from a pot where you might unconsciously have seconds. The portion is the portion, done. But then we have meals like some of the pasta dishes in the balanced range. I'm seeing 70 grams of carbohydrates, minimal protein, maybe 12 grams. And honestly, you'll be hungry again in 2 hours. That's not supporting weight loss. That's setting you up for snacking. My dietitian tip, if you're buying a Woolies prepared meal for weight loss, use this formula. This filters out about 60% of their wellness range, but it means you're actually buying food that supports your goals, not just expensive convenience. Now, there are fresh salad bowls with protein, like the Mediterranean chicken bowl. These are actually solid, around 75 rands jar, but you're getting whole food ingredients, good protein, healthy fats from olives or feta, and actual fiber from the veg. Compare this to a takeaway meal that's 80 to 90 rands and probably triple the kilojoules. Let's talk snacks, because this is where weight loss journeys often derail. You're doing well all day, then 3 p.m. hits, and suddenly you're at the Woolies cafe counter eyeing that chocolate muffin. Better choice, Woolworths Biltong. I know, Biltong is so South African we forget it's actually an amazing weight loss snack. 30 gram serving, which is a decent handful, gives you about 18 grams of protein, minimal carbs, and it's satisfying. Research shows that protein-rich snacks reduce subsequent energy intake by up to 135 calories. That's the evidence we want. Yes, watch your sodium if you're eating this daily, but as an occasional snack, solid choice. There are raw nut mixes, the unsalted ones, also brilliant. But here's the catch, portion control. A 30-gram serve is about a small handful, roughly 800 kilojoules. The whole bag, over 4,000 kilojoules. What I do, buy the bag, go home, immediately portion it into small containers or Ziploc bags. Pre-portioned equals mindless overeating avoided. Now, protein bars. Woolies stocks several brands. Most have 1520 grams of protein. But also check this, some have 1015 grams of sugar and the ingredients list that looks like a chemistry experiment. If you can't pronounce the first 5 ingredients, maybe reconsider. I'm not saying never have them, they are convenient, but treat them like the processed food they are, not like a health food. There's a difference. Okay, before we wrap up, some hidden gems that I genuinely think are underrated for weight loss. 1. They are frozen vegetable stir-fry mixes. 30 to 35 rands for a bag. Loads of fiber, minimal kilojoules, and you can bulk up any meal. Add this to your chicken, and suddenly your plate is 2/3 veg without even trying. The South African Society for the Study of Obesity recommends exactly this strategy: volume eating with low energy density foods. 2. Woolworths soup range, specifically the vegetable-based ones, not the creamy ones. Those can be sneaky high in fat and kilojoules, but the tomato, the butternut, the vegetable minestrone, about 800 to 1,200 kilojoules per container. Fiber-rich and warm food has been shown to increase satiety more than cold food at the same calorie level. Have a soup as a starter before your main meal. Studies show you eat 20% less overall. That's a free weight loss hack right there. Look, here's the real talk. Woolworths is expensive. We all know this. Not everyone can do their full shop there, and that's completely okay. But if you're strategic, maybe you buy your protein there or stock up on convenient healthy options for busy weeks. It can be a useful tool in your weight loss toolkit. The key is knowing what's actually going to support your goals versus what's just expensive marketing. That's what I'm here for, to help you cut through the noise. If this video helped you make better choices, please give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube to share this with more South Africans who need evidence-based nutrition info, not just diet culture nonsense. And listen, if you want me to review other South African grocery stores, Pick n Pay, Checkers, Discam, let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Subscribe if you haven't already, because every week I'm breaking down nutrition science in a way that actually makes sense for our South African context. I'm Thandi, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy shopping. And remember, weight loss isn't about perfection. It's about making consistently better choices.